Hello viewer friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JP Tutorial Guide. In the previous video we learned about some terms related to solar energy and their definition. If no one has seen the previous video, you must have a link in the description box. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first to receive our notification. After watching the video, you must give a valuable opinion about how the video is. So let's get started without delay. In today's video, we will discuss about some of remaining terms that are related to solar energy. So watch the video till end to know about that. Today at first, we will know about beam or direct radiation. Solar radiation received on the surface of Earth without change in direction is known as beam or direct radiation. Come to the next point, diffuse radiation. The solar radiation received from the sun after its direction has been changed by reflection and scattering by atmosphere is known as diffuse radiation. Then come to the next point, total radiation. Then we will know what is the reason for variation in solar radiation reaching the earth than received on the outside of atmosphere. As solar radiation passes through the earth's atmosphere, the shortwave ultraviolet rays are observed by ozone and atmosphere, and the long-wave infrared waves are absorbed by carbon dioxide and moisture in the atmosphere. The portion of radiation is scattered by the components of atmosphere, such as water vapor and dust. A portion of the scattered radiation always reach the Earth's surface as diffuse radiation. Thus, radiation finally received at the Earth's surface consists partly of beam radiation and partly a diffuse radiation. In the next video, we will discuss about some of remaining terms that are related to solar energy. Thank you viewer friends for watching the video carefully. If you like the video, please like and share. Stay tuned to the channel to get more videos like this related to renewable energy.